Hi guys, this is Kelly with Barn Dwellers, and it has been a long time and well overdue, but I am going to give you an update on the pop-up camper renovation that I did. I believe it's probably been about 2 years now. A lot has happened in between, and so I am just now getting back to you, but we did end up selling the pop-up camper very shortly after the renovation, so we didn't get a lot of pictures, but we do have a few for you that we're going to show you of the before and after pictures of it. We did end up selling the pop-up camper for about 3 times the amount that we originally bought it for. So that's a pretty good return. I just wanted to kind of review over that we bought the canvas to redo on the pop-up camper from Amazon.com. If you just do a search on there, you should be able to find a good waterproof canvas, and we just used our regular home sewing machine to do all of it. If you are looking for a pop-up camper to redo, one thing good to remember is to be sure to look for one with a title. If you do plan to eventually resell, or if you're just going to keep it forever for your own personal use, that probably wouldn't matter. But it is important. You can find a lot of these older pop-up campers. Just make sure that it does have a title with it. Also, one thing worth mentioning is to be sure to rainproof your seams after you've sewn it. Water will come through if you don't. I think you can generally buy the rainproofing spray even at Walmart. I think they have it. So those are just some good things to think about. But here are some pictures for you of the before and after, and I hope you enjoy them.